Fish on. We just sight casted this nice redfish. Once again, we're playing in Upper Tampa Bay today, and we're having some fun.
That's a stud.
Now this is why we're out here playing. Boom. Look at this thing.
Yeah, nice one.
Q8 all day long. Good morning. All right, so we just sight casted this 26-inch redfish. Time to send it back to the house. All right, buddy. Woo! And we are ready to go. All right, got the Q8. We just sight casted this guy up in Upper Tampa Bay. Redfish. See you later.